Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for your Brazil eVisa on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this official Brazil eVisa website, and as of now this is applicable to the citizens of US, Canada and Australia only, and that too is going to begin starting 10th April pretty soon. So like on this page I'm going to click on apply eVisa now. So what you have to do, first you have to register. Okay, so you need to select your nationality. As you can see that only 3. You also need to put your email address and phone number. Because I selected Canada, so ISD code got automatically selected, and then click on get OTP. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so what it does, when you click on get OTP, it sends the OTP on your email address. Okay, now purpose of travel, I select this. Are you applying for self or others? I select self. Date of birth, do it as per your own case. So I put a sample date of birth, then applicant below 18 got auto selected. How are you entering Brazil? I selected here. Do you hold a Brazilian passport? This is specifically for people, those who have like dual nationality, because US, Australia, Canada all allow dual nationalities. Alright, so now I'm gonna click on save and continue. Oh, nationality, passport number and nationality, these two I missed. I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, so in the next page you need to upload these mandated documents. Some of these are mandatory, like passport, bio page, photograph, and then you have like information about travel document. If you have any question, you can tap on it and you can definitely upload. When you go to the next section, it's going to ask you for the payment, and once you make the payment, it goes into process, and from there it's going to go to the next stage. So after you upload documents and go to next page, it's going to ask you to verify your passport details. So I'm just putting this sample. Of course this is not my passport. Date of issue, do it as per your own case. Name, family name, marital status. Do it as per your own case guys. Place of birth, so it's country name, it's coming. In the next stage, it's going to ask you for estimated arrival date, and do it as per your own case. Planned number of days in days, month, so let's say 18. Final scheduled day of stay, so low. Have you ever been to Brazil? I select no. Additional detail, any detail that you want to say, including itinerary or anything that you want to describe, this is your opportunity to do it. Because this sample, so I'm not doing it. Next is ask for permanent address, country, state or province, personal means of contact. I would go for email. Is this the address for correspondent? I'll select yes. Do you have any contact in Brazil? If you have, provide the information. If you don't have, then you do not have to. So I'm going to put some sample and then I'm going to take you to the next screen. Next is about additional details. Do you have information for legal representative? I select no. Name of employer, address, or even school if you are studying, and its address. Do you have any other nationality? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide your occupation and other details. Okay, and it's definitely, I would say, very important to do, because they have asked your salary details and other financial details too. So this is going to help in your application, but for the purpose of this video I'm not doing, because this is just sample and these are not mandatory fields. But in like in the actual scenario, I would recommend definitely provide. Why would you hide? There's no reason. Okay, so we have reached the final stage where you have to accept the terms condition and you have to pay. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.